medyo seryoso naman. Today, after 4 days of confinement at Asian Hospital, due to a spinal column problem caused by an accident that I figured 15 years ago in a violent encounter with the squatters here at Pininvest Corporate City, I must say that I am humbled, honored, and at the same time excited to be in your midst to receive my 15-year service award tonight. As I do, I wish to recognize the presence of Mrs. Josephine Luciano Yapam, Mr. Joseph Yap, sir, Miss Kate Ilaga, Miss Venus Mejia, Miss Risa Reyes, Sir Bambam Luciano, Mr. Francis Luciano, Miss Harriet Lucipec, and Miss Lynn Ortal. Let me simply say that I wish to recognize all the people to whom a special reference is due, and that is all of you, ladies and gentlemen, gathered here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, my acceptance and receipt of this service award and honor would not be complete without letting you walk with me down memory lane to see where we are coming from and to pay tribute to the men and women who have made this milestone in my life a reality for me. Exactly 21 days, 8 months and 15 years ago, I was summoned by our HR department and was informed that after 6 months working under OmniWorks agency as the coordinator on relocation and team leader of the demolition team, then Engineer Jimmy Esperanza has endorsed me to be a regular employee of Pininvest Alabang Incorporated. Starting with a 165 pesos a day salary in 1996, while leading the demolition team cleared the squatters area inside the then Alabang stock farm, I can say that I have done my job well and will do more for Pininvest. After so many encounters with the squatter group and eating death threats for breakfast, I can proudly say that I have passed my test with flying colors. And all you have to do is look around and see how we have helped make the then stock farm to a Pininvest city now with all the inspiring possibilities that you can imagine. In my 15 years with the company, I have outgrown 8 trial judges and 12 city prosecutors of the Muntinlupa trial courts who have heard and decided on 18 criminal cases filed against me by individuals having interest on the 244-hectare Pininvest Corporate City. But as the saying goes, you cannot put a good man down. All these 18 cases have been decided in my favor after grueling years of hearings and trials. All I have now is a grave coercion case filed by the Manalos, now being heard 4 times a year in almost 3 years now. Now, the most difficult time of my life came early 2011 when I was diagnosed to having leukemia. I must admit, it came as a big surprise for me and my family. A nightmare for a father and husband like me, whose only dream is to provide a good life for my family. Having this kind of medical condition is tantamount to having a death sentence without a fixed schedule of execution. At first, I thought life has dawned on me until pure hearts and helpful bodies came to my rescue, led by no less than our Don Ubaldo, who organized Takbo para kay Troy in May 2011, and we ran for Troy last September 2012, proceeds of which helped me finance my 9,000 pesos a day chemotherapy pills that I am bound to take for the rest of my life. Mrs. Yap, upon notice of my predicament, extended her helping hand from her own pocket and through the Philinvest Corporate City Foundation Incorporated. I am doubly proud and lucky of having Miss Maricel, Sir RTB, Miss Harriet, Miss Nida, BME and Sir Louis, and others who have been by my side all throughout my battle with the Big C. And of course, I cannot, in my lifetime, forget all of you who registered and woke up early to run for me during the 2 farm runs. After nearly 2 years of my bout with leukemia, I can say that I have been winning and determined to win with all of you behind me all the way. For those of you who know exactly what you're doing next, give it one more thought. For those of you who don't, consider yourself lucky. Give yourself time for your calling to emerge. It will take a while to figure out, but when you do, it will feel like you can fly. Don't push it. It will happen at the right time. These are the greatest lessons I have learned in my 15 years with Philinvest. Patience, dedication, hard work, and loyalty. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here tall and proud to let you know that all my efforts have resulted from a sleepy, creepy, and laid-back Alabang stock farm to what is now known as Philinvest City, with all the possibilities in a bustling corporate, residential, leisure, and all you need is all you get development. After my 15 years today, I am now embarking on a more aggressive and efficient security portfolio, armed with my dedication and loyalty to my company, who have helped me build roof over our heads, provide food on our dining table, and education for my 3 big boys. With my Blue Knights behind me, ma'am, we would like to assure you that we will continue to make Philinvest City a safe place for everybody and a destination worth traveling to. Before I wind up, ladies and gentlemen, let me share you a true story that happened right before our dining table one lazy Sunday morning while having our breakfast with my three boys and my wife. My son Kevin, who is the more articulate among the 3, said, "Dad, 15 years ka na pala sa work mo. Dapat siguro manager ka na." To which my other son Lucky retorted and said, "Oo nga naman, Dad." But my wife was quick in saying, "Huwag kayong mag-alala, mga anak, at hindi naman natutulog ang Diyos." Hindi ako nakatiis at ako ay nagsalita, mas lalo namang hindi natutulog si Mrs. Yap. Ma'am, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sa inyo pong lahat, maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon.
Thank you, Troy, for that wonderful, inspiring speech.
Wow!
Wow.